had a good insight about the Abilix blocks, and we were taken through the different programs or the different modules that each grade would tackle, or they would get to work on. It is a very comprehensive and very informative and workshop. It was a very interesting workshop, and it gave us a good idea about how we can integrate this into our lessons. It's really skill-based and hands-on, and I would really recommend the center to all the children, to get a real-life experience of all these different skills.
So today we have a small workshop with the little engineers, and I am quite surprised when I reach here and I see different projects and different models, and the way they are teaching the kids in the different schools. It was quite efficient, it was working correctly, and the programming was easier for the students to program, and yeah, it was quite a fun. We enjoyed a lot.